It's a short week this week because of the Canadian long weekend, August civic holiday.
Yeah.
But it's early in the week and we've already got a lot done. So it's not stuff you can see so much. But Brad, you've got gas company coming.
Gas company's coming. We got a quote coming for a guy to knock down the two-story.
Electric.
Electrical.
Have somebody
I'm
coming
working
for
on that. He'll be here tomorrow.
Temporary power. We got a mini excavator coming Friday so that we can do
Dig in some drains for our
trailer.
And there's another...
You've ordered some electrical for the trailer because the electrical on the trailer's not quite right. It's not quite up to par, so we got to get that done.
Yeah.
And packing.
Yeah. Oh, the demo permit. I got a hold of that guy today too.
Oh yeah, that was good. We're having a hard time. They got a new computer program for the demo permit, so wasn't quite going in right, but he helped you out and you got that sorted out. So what else is going on? You've got you just got an update from
Mom's house is up for sale, and they've had, I think they said 7 showings already, so hopefully we get an offer from that.
It's a cute little house, and your brothers did some painting in that, and
yeah,
it's a cute little house, so hopefully that'll sell, but that's stuff to do. And my parents are doing a little bunkie. We're trying to get that done, so this afternoon we pack all day and then we go and work on the bunkie. I'll show you how things are going here though. We got a window quote too, so we've got to go over that and make sure it's what we want, because we've got some choices on different windows. I like a bay window. I guess that's old-fashioned, but I'm kind of old. I don't know. We're gonna look over these doors and make some decisions to put the order in, and it was a little less money than we thought, so I sure hope that trend continues, but I seriously doubt it. This is inside the 2-story, so we've been packing. A lot of the stuff in the corner is packing stuff. I got old sheets and I got bubble wrap that my mom gave me to pack stuff up, and I just don't want to get rid of that just in case I need it. Got a bag there on the floor for donation, another bucket that's just empty for packing, and then some collection of treasures to go to the cottage. So we got to get the furniture in the sea can, but I want to get all the little stuff in first and get it packed in tight. In the kitchen here, I've got this old file cabinet. I know it's ugly, but I've always had it. It was in my furnace room in the other house, and I've put my kids' artworks and stuff from school, their report cards and stuff like that. But the cupboards are pretty much empty in here, except what will go in the trailer. Like I got some cutlery up there, because we'll do a lot of plastics and stuff. And upstairs I'm coming along with packing, but this weekend, if we've got that excavator mini X, we gotta do a bunch of stuff outside. Like this porch has to come down, and poor Leia's little dog run. This little dog run's been handy. Do you see the door there? She got a little door, and she comes out and goes down the ramp and has her, and then we just leave this door open for her, usually like that, and she goes out through the covered porch, and she can come in and out on her own, so that when we're not here, isn't this crazy? Whoever made this covered porch did it so that the tree could stay there. If you look into our move-in video, you can see what this tree looked like in its full glory, and then there are videos that you can watch of the tree coming down. That was pretty scary. Look how close the tree is. So he took that tree down, and he just like a slight nick to the plastic up there was all. Yeah. Dad, Brad, and my brother-in-law Gary did that. There was another tree out there too. But we got to get doing some outside stuff this weekend to get cleared. So I have to pack. Closet upstairs. I'm doing prety good. I don't know what I'm going to do with all these hangers. Look at this closet. But as much stuff as I've taken out of here, I look and there's still like these bins up here and stuff down there. Good Lord. Still have this laundry room to pack up. I don't even know what's in all those bins. Here's in the sea can. It's packing up good. This system that we got of the shelving on either side. And then Brad's got some plywood. Here's one here that'll go on next. So we'll do a level and then put the piece of plywood on. You can see there. And then continue on and put another piece of plywood on top of that. Just take so that your stuff isn't sitting on top of each other, right? So, and we're just going to keep packing till we get right up there. Fill this right to the rim. Outside in the yard, it's always more work than we think, right? So we got to clean up. We got to get all of this stuff out of here and store. We'll just set it off in the yard out of the way, which it's been so hard to figure out what is out of the way when there's so many moving parts to this plan. The canoe trailer's got to get moved. All of this bush, this is all got to get cut out of here. So that's a big job. Even that oak tree's got to come down, but we can do this demo without that. I just would like to clean up around the foundation of the house. Poor Leia's dog run here is going to have to go. The porch is going to have to go because the 2-story is coming down. We got to clean up this section in the yard, start on the yard cleanup. All this wood that's been stacked here, we thought we'd have fires with. We haven't done that, so we're moving that. Brad's just taking the skid steerer, putting it down at the river there, and then I'll stack it up. Not sure this is worth it, but I gotta do something with it now. I'm just gonna stack it along the armor stone there. All right, I don't know if that's really worth it. It's not really great wood. It's, you know.
Been sitting for 5 years.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
burn quick.
Skid steer wasn't too bad to run. I need a little more time in there so I can figure out what I'm doing.
I think you did pretty good with it though.
Yeah, it was fun.
To get a chainsaw and all of that scrub that's there we got to get rid of, and then possibly start cutting down that oak and olive. I don't want to, but
we're not cutting down an oak tree today, but maybe tomorrow.
You never know.
Maybe tomorrow. Ugh. Alright, moving the canoes, obviously. Not sure how this is gonna go. You better not lose them going down the hill. That wouldn't happen, would it? Oh, good Lord. I'm not really liking this. It's already falling apart. You haven't hit the hill.
Maybe I'll just push it with my hand.
Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, why not your truck? Look at the hill. Oh. Yeah. Are you fucking kidding me?
There we go.
Excuse my language, I'm sorry, but Brad? See what I have to put up with? I have girlfriends that say to me, hey, well, the work's getting done. Why don't you come to my house and we'll hang out? I can't leave. What would happen if I wasn't here? That's what happens when I'm here. We got these pieces of log that have been cut. I don't know what we're gonna do with them, but we gotta get them out of the way. I think that'd be a great project. It'd be great benches or something. It's from a great big tree that came out of the water. The other pieces of the tree here, there's one just around here. This chunk here too. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do with it. Maybe get it milled? I don't know. But we gotta get it out of the way so we can try to store these canoes somewhere. All right, here we go. Get this section cleaned up here. I'm gonna continue to cut the lawn on my John Deere zero turn. Like, it's dirty because we got lots of dust here, but I love this thing. The bunkie at my mom and dad's on the St. Clair River. There's Brad up there trying to get the roof done. Beautiful here. 28 degrees today, but feels like
37.
It does. Oh my gosh. So we're gonna have to like be strategic with stuff here.
It's 25 after 10 in the morning. So
yeah, we gotta cut these trees. We gotta cut these trees down, but I'd like to remove underneath the trees because they're giving us some shade. So we gotta work smarter, not harder, right?
Yep.
Got our work cut out for us. This is the area we gotta get cleaned up because the our sewers are on the other side there. And Brad's got this mini X, and we are going to dig a trench, and we'll probably put the trailer right here in front of this oak tree. This evergreen, I don't know what it is. It's gonna have to go. I've got no place to transplant it to. It's too big to transplant. It's too hot to transplant. So we are gonna have to cut it down. That breaks my heart, but it's like right in the middle. Who puts an evergreen right in the middle of a river view? Like, that's gonna be our porch right here. And that's right there. It's not gonna work. So we're gonna clean out underneath. There's a pallet of stone. There's some big concrete like barriers, almost like parking lot barriers, which I might use in our parking on the other side. They've used them all the way around, so I have to dig them out, and that way, because there's a ravine at the front, and I don't want any cars or trailers or anything going down the ravine, so might as well use them. I wouldn't go out of my way to look for them, but since we've got them. Ooh. They're so dry, they're light. So I'm gonna just keep doing one task over and over again, and just loading up logs in the bucket and taking them over to the fire pit and back. I think if I just do that repetitive job, that I'll at least get a little useful on this thing.
You're doing great, babe.
Bottom of these bushes, I want to show you the one thing that I want to try to save. Do you see?
Yeah.
See those popping up? Those are resurrection lilies. So they come up all green, like they look like daffodils, and then they lose all of their grassy leaves, and then they pop up the flower without. Oh, there's another one over there. Look at that one standing up a little taller. I don't want to lose that one's almost starting to open up a bit with the pink. They're pink and they're beautiful, and I sure hope that they'll transplant. Can you see these boats going by? Wow. There's 3 of them. There's the blue one coming. Woo! They're going so fast. Okay, this is the resurrection flower. You may know them as naked ladies, but I'm gingerly trying to get them out of here. I'm not sure if these are all naked lady bulbs. These might be daffodil bulbs. There probably are some there, but this is the naked lady or resurrection flower. Not the best time to transplant them, but I don't want to lose them either. Look at this one, is like gonna pop a flower. Can you see that pink? Oh, I hope I don't kill them, because I've been super excited about them since we moved in. So I hope I can keep them for the garden. It's the best I could do. This is a big pot, and I did like a lasagna in there, and I put the ones I thought were daffodils on the bottom, and then the naked ladies, resurrection lilies, whatever you want to call them. Man, they had some nice luscious bulbs with big fat roots on them that sure seemed like they were alive. This one here obviously is alive with a flower on it. So one, I broke the flower off. The other one I couldn't dig out of there, so I'm going to hope that with the excavator digging the tree out that it'll loosen it up. It just was so close to the tree. They must have been there a really long time, longer than what the trees were, but I really hope that this is going to make it. I'm a garden lover, not a garden expert, so I'm experimenting, and I've got my fingers crossed for this one because these are gorgeous flowers. Front of the house here, and this is where we've been setting these concrete things. Brad's coming with a few more here. Look how many we got. So this is eventually going to be parking. Let's see, let me get back far enough. This will be parking here, and then right through the bushes is a ravine, so I think it'll be really good to have. Yeah, like there's the ravine with a creek down there. I'm not sure you can see through the woods, but it's pretty cool in here. The parking on the other side might be good to have something to catch people's tires. Not so much a car, but like if you had a trailer or something. So I think that they'll power wash up. I'll put a garden in front of them anyway, or behind them, whatever. We'll see what happens. Digging for sewers to hook up the trailer. It is so hot today. I am so overheated. I am just going to get in the water in my clothes. Take my socks and shoes, my hat off, and go for a dip. See if that helps. I can barely stand outside here. Oh, this is so much better. Looks like Brad's done today on the Mini X. He's got a good trench here for sewers and water to go to the trailer. The trailer is going to go right about where the excavator is. He also has found some footings too. The old Bluebird had a motel here, and we're not sure where it is, but I'm thinking if this was in the trench, this concrete you can see over there.
What's that?
You can see more over there.
Well, there's a footing there and there.
Oh.
Looks like it ran on an angle.
Oh, well, that's interesting. Brad has got pipe in for the sewers for the trailer. Okay, how's it going, Brad?
Fun.
You're hot. It is really hot. I know.
Doing the last tie-in. I needed a piece that we didn't buy, and my garage stash, I had one, so.
I can't believe that. Like, how many pieces of pipe did you have? How many fittings did you even have?
5 or 6.
5 or 6, and you had one that was the right one.
Yeah.
Yeah. What are the chances of that? Luck! It's lucky, Brad. We're getting lucky. Next day, and the naked ladies are growing. Look at this one coming up with a flower that wasn't there. And the one that we put in that was flowering has grown taller. Sunday afternoon, this is about all that we can get done. I'm covered in bug bites from moving wood. I almost got heat stroke from lifting concrete and pulling trees. It was hot. We're gonna call it quits and go for a boat ride. The kids are coming down and we'll go for a little boat ride, and we'll start again tomorrow.